students, today we are going to start practice set 3.4. In practice set 3.4, we are going to start the first problem in the practice set 3.4. In the adjoining figure, point A is on the bisector of x, y, z. If AX is equal to 2 centimeter, then find AZ is equal to what? Then find AZ is equal to what? So that you want to find out. So see, here is X is given. This X is given 2 centimeter, and they are said what about this AZ? So see, the AX is perpendicular on XY and AZ is perpendicular on this YZ. So the perpendicular are equidistant from the points. So whatever be the length of XA, that is the length of AZ. So see, YA is the angle bisector. Which angle? Angle X, Y and Z. So this XYZ angle, see X, Y and Z. So this XYZ angles, so that XYZ angles, this YA, see, this YA is the angle bisector. Angle bisector means what? Angle bisector means angle divided into two equal parts. Means suppose angle XYZ is 60 degree, then it is bisect, so they are divided into two equal parts. One is 30 degree, another is 30 degree. That is called angle bisector. Suppose angle XYZ is 80 degree, then it is bisected into two parts. One is 40 degree, another is the 40 degree. Suppose angle XYZ is 100 degree, then it is divided into two parts, 50 degree into 50 degree. Are you understand the meaning of bisector? Bisector means divided into two equal parts. So this YA is the angle bisector. So this XYZ angle is divided into two parts. One is XYA and another is AYZ. Okay, so it is called the angle bisector and that is given to you. So this AZ, see, this is the AZ. AZ is perpendicular on YZ. Okay, that can be seen in the diagram. See, this is the YZ. So this is the YZ. So on this YZ, this AZ, A point, AZ is perpendicular. And same from point A, this AX is perpendicular. So this AX is perpendicular on XY or YX. Okay. So by angle bisector theorem, length of AZ is equal to length of X. So length of AZ is equal to length of X. So length of X is equal to 2 centimeter. So length of AZ is equal to also 2 centimeter. Is that clear? It is very simple, my students. Remember that when there is the angle bisector and they are perpendicular, so whatever be the length of given first, suppose here is given XA is equal to 2 centimeter, so AZ is equal to 2 centimeter. If XA is equal to, they are given 5 centimeter, then AZ also 5 centimeter. Means they are equidistant, so the distance is same. So here is we write ray YA is bisector of XYZ. We are see this Y angle is bisect by YA into divided into two equal parts. So Y is the bisector. Then this AZ is the perpendicular on YZ and this AX is perpendicular on YX. Okay. So the length of AZ is equal to length of X, angle bisector theorem. So length of AZ is equal to how many? 2 centimeter. Then second one, in the adjoining figure, angle RST is equal to 56 degree. In the adjoining figure, angle RST is equal to 56 degree. Segment PT, see, this is the PT. So PT is perpendicular on ST and this is the PR. PR is perpendicular on SR. Okay, PR is perpendicular on SR. So see this PT is perpendicular on ray ST and PR is perpendicular on ray SR. Okay, so and segment PR is congruent with PT. So see, this PR is congruent with PT. Find the angular measure of Rsp. So you want to find out the angular measure of RSP. RSP angle you want to find out. So this angle you want to find out. So total RST is given to you. What is it? 56 degree. And this SP is the angle bisector. This is given RST. PT is perpendicular on ST and PR is perpendicular on SR, and PR and PT, they are equal. So by converse of this SP is the angle bisector. So this SP is the angle bisector. So RST is divided into two equal parts, 28, 20. So that can be shown. How can it solve it? So first, what will be the given? That is right here. So segment PT perpendicular ray ST. So here is written segment PT perpendicular ray ST. Segment PR perpendicular ray SR. Reason is given. Okay. Then segment PR congruent with PT. So here is written segment PR congruent with segment PT. Okay. Segment PR. See, this is the PR. Segment PR is congruent with segment PT. So here is written segment PR is congruent with segment PT. They are congruent. They are given. Okay. So if they are congruent, it is given, and if they are congruent, so ray SP is the bisector of angle TSR. Any point equidistant from the side of angle is on the bisector of the angle. So this is the reason given, because they are bisector of the angle. Why? Because PR is congruent with PT. So they are bisector, they are equidistant. Equidistance means distance is same. What is the distance of PT? That is the distance of PR. So they are equidistant, same distance. Equidistant means same distance. So they are congruent. That is already given. Segment PR congruent with segment PT, that is given. So it is the angle bisector. SP is the angle bisector. So angle RSP, okay, is equal to angle TSP. It is the angle bisector. So whatever with the angle RSP, that is the angle TSP. So they are equidistant, they are congruent angle bisector. So they are equal. So angle RST is equal to, because how RST? See, R, S and T. So how this RST is made of? This RST is made of angle RSP plus angle TSP. Okay, so here is written angle RST is equal to angle RSP plus angle TSP. So RSP is equal to TSP. So RSP remain as it is. TSP is equal to RSP. So here is written TSP. Instead of TSP, you write here RSP. So RST is the 56 degree written here. RSP plus RSP. How many RSP? 2 RSP. So 2 angle RSP is equal to 56 degree. RSP plus RSP is equal to 2 angle RSP. RSP plus RSP is equal to 2 angle RSP. So it is 56 degree. So here is written 56 degree. 2 is multiply, go across, divide. 2 2s are 4, 1. 2 8s are 16. Okay. 2 2s are 4. What is remain? 1. 2 8s are 16. So angle RSP is equal to 28 degree. Angle RSP is equal to 28 degree. So that you get that answer. Problem number 3rd. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, QR is equal to 12 centimeter, PR is equal to 8 centimeter. Find out the greatest and the smallest angle of the triangle. It is very simple. So see my students, it is PQ, it is the 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and this is the 12 centimeter. So the length which is the longest, greatest length. So the greatest length, opposite angle is greatest. So RQ is the greatest length. So opposite angle P is greatest. Afterwards, this PQ is the small as compared to RQ. PQ is the small as compared to QR. So this R is smaller than P. Then smallest segment is PR. So opposite angle of PRQ is the smallest angle. So the criteria is the longest segment opposite angle is greatest. Shortest segment opposite angle is smallest. It is very simple to remember it. Okay students, what I say, if the longest means the student, there is the longest segment, then longest segment, then opposite angle is greatest. longest segment, then opposite segment, longest segment opposite angle is greatest, smallest segment opposite angle is small. Okay, according to this criteria. In triangle PQRC, this is the triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, QR is equal to 12 centimeter, PR is equal to 8 centimeter. That is given. So here is written in triangle PQR, PQ 10, QR 12 and PR 8 centimeter given to you. So first you write the numbers which is greatest number, that write first. So 12 is greater than 10, 10 is greater than 8. So you know which is the greatest, 12. So which is that, QR. So QR is greatest. So it is QR is greater than PQ, PQ is greater than PR. Okay, so greatest QR. So QR opposite angle is greater. So see here, QR, this is the QR. So QR opposite angle P. So P is the greatest angle. Remember that. The segment which is greatest, that opposite angle is greatest. Very simple. The segment which is greatest, that opposite angle is greatest. So QR is greatest. So opposite angle P is greatest. Then PR is smallest. So opposite angle Q is smallest. So here is written QR is greater than PQ, PQ is greater than PR. So the angle P is greater than angle R and angle R is greater than Q. Very simple. See, if you don't understand, here is given reason, angle opposite to greater side is greater. So the length is greater, so opposite angle is greater, so P is greater because QR is greater. Then PQ is smaller than QR, so this opposite angle R is smaller than P. Then this 8 centimeter PR, opposite angle Q is smaller than who? Q is smaller than R. Okay, such a way is written, angle P is greater than R, R is greater than Q. Are you understand, student? Very simple. So the greatest angle is P and the smallest angle is Q. Problem number 4. In the triangle fan, angle F is equal to 80 degree, angle A is equal to 40 degree. Find the greatest and the smallest side of the triangle. So what you want to find out? You want to find out greatest and the smallest sides that you want to find out. So see, this is the 80 degree. 80 degree is opposite side greater because it is greater. 80 plus 40, 120. Sum of angle of triangle 180. 180 minus 120, what is remains? 60. So angle N is equal to 60. So which is the greater angle? 80 degree is greater angle. So opposite side is greater. N is greater. Then N 60 degree. Opposite side FA is greater than this FN. Okay. So see, in triangle fan, okay, this is the triangle fan, FAN, fan. So in triangle fan, angle F plus angle A plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the measure of the angle of triangle is 180 degree because the sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. So angle F is equal to 80 degree. Write the values of this. So the angle F is equal to 80 degree. Then angle A is equal to 40 degrees and angle N you want to find out. Okay. So see, 80 plus 40, how many? 120 degree. So here is 120 degree. So they are what they are doing? They are doing 80 is positive, go across negative, minus 80. 40 is positive, go across negative, minus 40. So 180 minus 80, 100. 100 minus 40, 60. So angle N is equal to 60 degree. That you get. So here is you write 60 degree. So greatest angle opposite side is longest. So here is written that 80 degree is greater than 60 degree. 60 degree is greater than 40 degree. Okay. It is very simple to understand you. What I say, which angle is greater, that I write first. So this is the 80 degree. This is greater than 60 degree. This is greater than 40 degree. So 80 degrees, which angle? F. So angle F is greater than angle N. Angle N is greater than angle A. So greatest angle is F and smallest angle is A. So greatest angle is F. So F opposite side A. So the greatest angle is F. So that is 80 degree. So opposite side AN is the longest and smallest angle is A. Opposite side FN is the smallest. So that is written here such a way. AN is greater than FA. FN AN, see here, AN is greater than FA and FA is greater than FN. Side opposite to greatest angle is greater. This is the criteria written here. Means the angle which is greater angle. So greater angle opposite side is longest and smallest angle opposite side is smallest. So this is the 80 degree. 80 degrees opposite, which is the angle 80 degree F. So F angle opposite side is AN, so it is the longest, and this is the 40 degree opposite side FN is the smallest. Okay, so here is written the AN is the greatest side and FN is the smallest side. Are you understand, my students? So the homework is given to you, that problem number 5. That problem number 5 you can solve. This is only homework. See, I am saying to you the homework in the exercise 3.4 is problem number 5. That is very simple. That here said equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are congruent. Okay. So all sides are congruent, so they are congruent. If the sides are congruent and opposite angles are congruent, so opposite angles are congruent. So this equilateral triangle is also equiangular triangle. That can be proved such a way. Okay, stay home, stay safe, and if you like what I taught to you, then subscribe this channel, send to your friends and say to them like and subscribe. Stay home, stay safe.